Today, I'll walk you through how to use Notion as a social media manager, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your Notion workspace for social media management so you can streamline your content planning and enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. If you're new to Notion, this is your blank canvas where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion frequently updates its interface, but the core functionality remains the same. Next, click on Add a Page. This is where you'll begin to create your social media management system. Think of it like opening a new folder on your computer. You're organizing your work into manageable sections. Now, let's move on to the next step. Click on Templates. This option allows you to explore pre-made designs that can save you time and effort. Templates are like ready-made blueprints. They give you a head start on organizing your content. After that, click on Templates again. This may seem repetitive, but it ensures you're in the right section to find the perfect template for your needs. Now, type Social Media Manager into the search bar. This is where you'll find templates specifically designed for managing social media content. Think of it as searching for a recipe online. You want to find something that suits your taste and needs. Once you see the options, choose a template that resonates with you and click on it. This is similar to picking a book from a shelf. You want to select one that you feel will be useful for your social media strategy. After selecting your template, click on Plus Add, and it will appear on the side pane of your Notion workspace. This is your new social media management tool ready for action. Finally, open the template and modify it to best fit your needs. Personalizing your workspace is like customizing a car. You want it to reflect your style and work efficiently for you. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Notion as your social media management tool. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.